Jamaican producer J.L.L, whose real name is Jean-Andre Lowell Lawrence, is celebrating after a beat he made in his bedroom back in 2014 appeared on Drake's new album, Certified Lover Boy. J.L.L's mid-tempo composition was inspired by singers Unlimited's Emily and was first used by Royal Blu on the track How Can I. It was later used by American singer Masego on the track Navajo, which was then sampled by Drake on Certified Lover Boy's opener, Champagne Poetry. In J.L.L's short career, he's seen success opening with diverse groups of both upcoming and established acts. Everyone from Cha-Ching Ching with Breadfruit to Jazz-Ali's Fresh and Clean and Savannah Nobody Man. The Drake feature is his biggest achievement to date, and many are predicting more barrier-breaking greatness based on the youngster's musical style. Drake dropped his Certified Lover Boy suite on Friday to much fanfare with its long guest list, even longer track list, and many lyrical subliminals. The J.L.L produced opener has already made quite an impression on social media, and the producer tweeted his gratitude for the nod and crazy circumstances that led to the sample track Navajo. He said, "Crazy how a beat I made from 2014 in my bedroom went from being Navajo to Champagne Poetry on Drake's album." J.L.L's other popular productions include In the City by Governor and Ghetto by Movado. Now that we're at the end of the video, guys, remember to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, hit that subscribe and notification button to stay updated on all our new and latest videos. Also, remember to check out DancehallMag.com for current news on dancehall culture.